What's going on, guys? So today I'm out here at CCRV in Corpus Christi, Texas, and we're going to take a look at a really cool Primetime RV. So this is the Lacrosse Luxury Light from Primetime. This is a very interesting floor plan because it's really designed to give you that fifth wheel style interior in a travel trailer format. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be right back. All right, let's quickly take a look at the numbers on this massive travel trailer. This thing is probably around 36 to 37 feet long. Let's take a look at the numbers here real quick. This has a gross vehicle weight rating of 11,070 pounds. This has a cargo capacity of 2,506 pounds, rides on 5,100 pound axles, E-rated tires. Stepping back, Schwintek slide back here, rack and pinion slides for the back right there. This does not have a drop frame to it, and the front pass-through, which I'll show you when we get to the other side, is relatively small, but you do get some storage underneath the bed, which is really nice. And it's a good amount of storage. Your 50 amp cable is currently in there. This unit has twin air conditioning units on top. Stepping back, does not have frameless windows on it. From a frame perspective, I imagine it's a 12-inch I-beam, which it is. This has the wide track axles on it, so the axles are spaced further apart. It's supposed to help eliminate what's called porpoising. Porpoising is essentially when you hit a bump and the thing wants to kind of go like this. By spacing them further apart, they stabilize a little bit quicker. Not all manufacturers do it, and not all manufacturers think there's a benefit to doing it. So it's really going to vary from manufacturer to manufacturer. But you can definitely see the rack and pinion slide here. Trailer King tires, something I would probably upgrade in the first couple thousand miles. Coming around to the back, it does have electric stabilizing both front and back. Your 50 amp connection here. Incandescent light, so that's kind of interesting. I would have assumed LED lighting. I just really don't know why manufacturers don't put LED lighting on everything, in my opinion. It is wired for a Furrion wireless backup camera. I do wish they would have centered it, though. It's kind of off to the side. Not that it's a bad thing, but the reason why some manufacturers do that is because if you have a camera at night, it generally turns black and white. And if you have your lights on, it can wash out the camera. So some people position it to the side to avoid that from happening. You can see your stabilizer button right there to retract them or extend them. Coming around to this side, rack and pinion slide. Plus you have your outside kitchen. Let's open this thing up. Taking a look at the outside kitchen area, I love that they use these really thick baggage doors. That's about as thick as you would see on a Lux or a DRV, actually. Has a nice micro refrigerator, has a nice cooktop out here, lots of countertop space. Wish it had an outside sink, and I kind of wish they would have lowered that a little bit, even if it meant not having a slide in and slide out cooktop. Maybe put that off the back, simply because that might be a little too tall for some people. Coming around, it's nice to see they've also already pre-installed a TPS monitoring system in the tires. Definitely something that can keep you a little safer and more aware of what's going on while you're on the road. This has twin awnings. Each awning looks to be about 10 feet long, so roughly 20 feet total awning. I like the fact that they put this awning on the outside of the slide as opposed to over it, even though you really wouldn't have any room to put it over it. But it's nice because it extends your protection off of the awning, so you really don't lose any of the awning space. Taking a look over here, let's see if the front storage is open so we can see what our room looks like. Nice magnetic hold there. Okay, so the other side doesn't pass through this side. It's a pretty good size, though. It looks to be about 22 inches by about 20 inches, and it's about 4 feet deep. You have a nice little mounting area to bring your TV out here, plus your power and cable connection for it, plus your outside speakers. Let's take a look inside of this Lacrosse 3399 SE. All right, so stepping inside, you can see right off the bat that this has a very rear living room, fifth wheel style floor plan to it. The interior of this unit really stands out. This is a beautiful interior. Lots of room around the dinette. Typically on fifth wheels, this is kind of a cramped space, but you can see they give you a tremendous amount of room here. You could pretty much fully extend the chairs out from the table and still not have to worry about hitting the table if you're getting in or out. Nice entertainment area here. Looks to be a 50-inch TV. Wide view fireplace, nice sound bar right here. Lots of cabinets around the TV. More cabinetry up here. This is a love seat, but it also turns into a bed, so you can have kind of a full-size bed back here. Good size end tables on each side of the love seat. This is definitely something I would have liked to see a full-length sofa in, because some people like to lay across the sofa, and having a love seat back here, I think, takes away some potential room. Over here, you'll see your theater-style seating. I do like it when they put the drink holders side by side as opposed to front and back. It gives you a little bit more room and a little bit more privacy or isolation if you are sitting in each chair. You're not sharing, essentially, a small, thin armrest. Looking in the kitchen area, has a good size refrigerator. Refrigerator is actually a great size refrigerator. Gas electric. A good full-size residential microwave in it, plus a really nice cooktop. I love the backsplash here as well. Looking underneath the island, lots of drawers, lots of space here. You have one of these really interesting dish racks. Lots of countertop, lots of cabinet space overall. Price on this unit is $54,692 MSRP. Again, you probably get a big chunk off of that price if you call them. Lots of pantry space as well. You can see they give you tremendous amount of pantry space in this unit, which is really nice. Air conditioning controls right here. Taking a look at the bathroom. So they did sacrifice some space in the bathroom to give you more space near your entrance. You can see here that it is a toilet that's facing right at the vanity. You definitely have enough room in front of it. This is a cornered shower stall. Reasonable size. So it has good ceiling heights when you're not in the shower, but once you step in the shower, you could probably be upwards of about 5'9" to 6 feet tall to fit comfortably in the shower, unless you put your head in the skylight. But let me check what the height would actually be if your head's not in the skylight. 5'9", 5 foot 9 inches. Coming into the front bedroom area, king size bed, super tall slide heights, plenty of room to get in and out of the bed without having to worry about hitting your head. You have your second air conditioning system up here. Lots of room in this bedroom. This is a huge bedroom. Tons of room at the end of the bed. Nice good size closet. Again, this is a very fifth wheel feeling bedroom. This overall floor plan is a very fifth wheel feeling floor plan. Lots of room, just a tremendous amount of space. And you're going to have more storage underneath the bed as well. Check that out. It would have been nice if they finished that off a little bit. Overall, though, it's a pretty nice floor plan. I'd love to get your opinion on it, though. If you would, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about something like this. Could you see yourself in it? Anyways, guys, I really appreciate you guys following along with me today. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, and give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.